Hi guys, so welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Raki Singh and I'm back with another video. So आज का जो वीडियो है that is going to be my closet tour का second episode. कि फर्स्ट वाले में मैंने आपको कुर्तीज दिखाई थी अपनी जो अनारकलीज थी, अभी स्ट्रेट फिट वाला बचा हुआ है. आई डेफिनेटली शो यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो, थर्ड एपिसोड आई मीन. बट आज के एपिसोड में आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द बेस्ट समर ड्रेसेस आई बॉट फ्रॉम शीइन. तो स्पेसिफिकली एक रिक्वेस्ट आई थी एक सब्सक्राइबर की कि शीइन के बेस्ट कलेक्शन का एक वीडियो बनाइए. सो आई थॉट दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू डू इट. ऑल द ड्रेसेस आर प्रिंटेड एंड सुपर कूल फॉर समर. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. That's all. Now let's move to the video without any further ado. So starting with the first dress, which is this multicolored dress, comes with perfect sleeves. The length is amazing, full button up detailing, sweetheart neck, and it's not so much revealing. Also the color is very pretty and sober. It looks good on everyone, and this dress is available in two different colors. One is this peach one, the other one is blue. You can go for any color, but personally I like this color because it goes with every skin tone. So I have styled this dress with my black boots and sling bag, and for the jewelry part I have added just a choker neck piece. Not much jewelry required because it has this printed vibes. So with these type of dresses I always choose to go for simpler look. That's why I haven't added much accessories, just nice boots or nice shoes and a nice bag, and you're good to go. Next is this solid pink ruffle detail dress, and I really love this one. It's a perfect party dress. I got the nice neckline, ruffle detailing, sleeves, and a pleat sort of a bottom, which makes you look very thin, as you can see. And this is a solid dress, so you can style it in multiple ways. I mean, that's the best part about solid colors, that you can go for anything with them. Like you can go for the whole black look, the white look. I mean, you can add any color. So every time you go out, you can style them with different things. So you can go for Oxford shoes, perfect pencil heels, or nice bags. Add as much jewelry as you want, because jewelry look really nice on these type of dresses. So yep, that's the best part about these dresses, and I absolutely love this one. So yeah. Next up I got this yellow printed dress, and it's one of my favorite dress, honestly, because I really love the detailing, the ruffle detailing, the elastic detailing, and it makes you look very nice. I mean, it gives you a very Barbie doll sort of a look, and you can style it with your flats, with your sport shoes. Also you can add heels, but personally I like the sport shoes with these type of dresses. Not much jewelry required, since you can see it's full sleeve, high neck. So only thing you need is a small stud earrings, and that's it, and you're good to go. Add a sling bag and sport shoes, and it's a perfect dress. Very nice, very cool dress. Now coming to this red hot dress, which is so perfect for parties. Even you can style it for your birthday, and this is a fairy type of a dress. As you can see, it comes with all the cutout detailing. The neckline is so perfect. It's very hot and sweet and cute as well. I mean, it has got the perfect exposure, not much revealing, and the perfect length. Everything is amazing about this one. So I have styled this dress with heels. If you want, you can also go for ballerinas and just nice earrings, and you can also use some hand jewelry like bracelet or watch or anything like that, and you're good to go. So yeah. Coming to my next dress, which is again multicolor. Personally, I love these type of prints basically because they're so easy to wear and I don't have to think much to style them. So yep, again this is a very bohemian dress. As you can see, these type of dresses with v-necks and the perfect sleeves, they really look nice with boots because they give it a very nice and a very bohemian touch. So that's why I styled this one with boots. If you want, you can add some chunky jewelry like silver jewelry basically, because if you add some golden jewelry with that, then it won't be much visible. But if you want to make it visible, then you can definitely go for nice neck piece and add matching earrings and you are good to go. So it will always look amazing on anyone. And till now I wore this dress around 4 to 5 times or maybe more and washed it as well. So no shrink, no color fade off, nothing. So that's why I love the fabric. It's perfect, it's amazing, and I'm sure if you go on vacation, then you will get amazing pictures in these type of dresses. So yeah. One more multicolored dress, and it's a maxi dress again. I love this one so much. Last time I wore it when I went to Dubai on La Mer beach and I loved it. I got amazing pictures in this one. The fabric is amazing. It's again a full button up dress, and since you know it's a multicolor, so you don't have to add much jewelry, just nice earrings and a bag. You can also go for boots or you can add flats. The way you want to style it, you can always. And yeah. So now coming to this next dress, which is a polka dot dress. It's a midi-length dress, perfect sleeves with some puffed detailing, also the v-neck, the frills, everything is so amazing. And this is again one of my favorite dress because it's again very easy to wear. I mean, if you are going to market, malls, movies, shopping, anything, you can always style them with your shoes, with your boots, with your anything, and you are good to go. Just give some gold tone touch to your jewelry pieces and add a sling bag, and it's a perfect dress, and you will definitely get perfect pictures in this one. So I always love to go for these type of easy to wear dresses. So yeah. So now coming to this last dress, which is super hot but super uncomfortable as well for me, my type of body basically, since it's so much revealing. As you can see from the thighs, from the neckline, it's really revealing. So whenever you have to style it, you always have to go for a bralette, then only it will look amazing and it will be easy to wear. Otherwise it's a very pretty dress. The print is amazing, the sleeves are super perfect, and you can style them with your heels, with your flats. And so again, with these type of dresses, you can style them in different ways. And yep, that's the last one. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.